Welcome to firsttojoin.com. So, first of all, why do you actually need this app? You know that feeling when you're organizing a party, a show, a workshop, or even a game night, but your space is limited. How do you promote it? How do you keep track of who's coming? And what about your waiting list? Don't tell me you're still using a manual list on your phone? Right! That's exactly why we created firsttojoin.com. The app lets you create events smartly and manages the entire registration process for you. Automatic waiting list, recurring events, future events, paid events, private events, and more. And there are plenty of other smart features designed to save you time and a huge headache. All right, let's dive in. After creating your account, you can start a new event by simply clicking the Create button. A form will open up where you can set your event title, add a description, and pick an emoji. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Choose your event type and set the maximum number of participants. For example, let's say 30. Next, pick the date and time for your event. Just below that, you can decide exactly when registration opens. Until then, your event will be displayed with a live countdown. Now, enter the location, for example, New York. If you're organizing with others and want to give them management access, just add their username in the co-admins field. Now, let's look at our smart features. Late cancellation. Choose if late cancellations should automatically blacklist a user. Waiting list. Let the app manage your waiting list for you automatically. Paid event. Check this box if you want to manually track who has paid for their spot. Public event. Who can join? Everyone or just your friends? In this case, let's choose Friends Only. I'll explain how to create your private friends list in just a moment. After creating your event, since we chose it to be private, you'll be able to find it under the Private Events tab. Only the members of the group you've assigned to the event will be able to see it there as well. Right now, registration hasn't opened yet, so everyone sees the live countdown. Once the countdown hits 0, the first 30 people to join will be on the list. Everyone else will be added to the waiting list, hoping for a cancellation. All right, let's fast forward time and see what happens when registration opens. Finally, registration is open. Let's quickly click the Join button to be among the first 30 on the list. Now that we're in, we can see exactly who's on the list with us and who's currently on the waiting list. We have two easy ways to spread the word: copy event link and share via WhatsApp. If plans change, you can cancel your spot at any time using the Cancel Registration button. As the event creator, you have full control. You can manually add participants with the Add User button, clear joined list or waiting lists, and track who has already paid for the party. And for those unpleasant situations, you can easily kick someone out of the attendee or waiting list if needed. Now, let's say something came up and I can't make it to the party. The organizer set a rule. Anyone who cancels less than 3 days before the event gets blacklisted. The Leave Late Cancel button appears for all participants. Once I click it, a pop-up warns me that I'll be added to the blacklist if I proceed. Since I really can't attend, I'll select Leave anyway. Now that I'm blacklisted, the Join button has changed. It now lets me know that I can no longer join this specific event. But here's the cool part. Because I canceled, a spot opened up, and the first person on the waiting list was automatically moved into the attendee list. Now, let's say the event organizer decides to remove me from the blacklist. Since my original spot was already taken and there are no free spaces left, the Join Waiting List button appears. Once I click it, I'll be added to the very end of the queue. You can easily keep track of everything under the My Events page. It's divided into 3 clear sections: upcoming events, events where you have admin permissions, and your past events. From here, you can delete an event entirely, create a new event with identical settings using the Copy button, and edit an existing one. To create a private event that's only available to a specific circle of friends, you first need to create a group. To do this, let's head over to the Groups page. Click the New Group button to start. Enter your group's name and a quick description. Now you can start adding your group members. Once you're finished, you'll be able to assign this group to any private event you create. Remember, only the members of this group will be able to see the event under their Private Events tab. And one last thing. We're always improving. Any user can suggest new features or report a bug by clicking the user icon at the top and selecting the Feedback page. And that's it! You are now a first-to-join.com master. We hope you enjoyed this guide. Thanks for watching!